Welcome to 3616 in the Grove Resort. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. No, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, sorry. My bad. And this is like our last day, so we're literally just leaving now. But this is one of the bathrooms. So we've got a shower and a bath, a toilet. They supply these little toilet rolls as well, which is quite handy. So when you arrive, you do actually get some toilet rolls, and they supply you with enough towels, put it that way, and they come and change them. This is one of the double bedrooms. This is one my eldest has been staying in. He gets a TV, chest of drawers, gets a little window over there, and then you get this massive, like, wardrobe. So yeah, that's empty, so we can close that bad boy. It's like a nice size room though, I think. Like, he's really been able to, like, get everything he needs. It's a very comfy beds, that's for sure. So that's one of the double bedrooms. This is the one Reggie's been staying in, my youngest. Same sort of style, bed. Again, another massive wardrobe to put all your bits in. It's literally perfect for a family. Ta-da! Look at me over there, right. It's just beautiful, this resort is so nice. I mean, it's gone cloudy all of a sudden. It was really sunny this morning. But this is our view from, like, his window. So we've got the pond, lakey pond here. We did actually see a gator the other day, which was quite cool. It was like a baby gator, just like chilling on the side, minding its own business. They're not actually that bad, to be honest. Right, so let's go and do. This is like your kitchen area, so you'll get a fully equipped kitchen, cooker, coffee machine. I mean, these are our leftovers. I mean, how much coffee did I leave over? Whoopsie. Got dishwasher. They supply you with like a starter kit anyway when you get started. Massive fridge, like massive fridge. So you've got plenty of room, especially because this room is actually for 8, I want to say 8 people. You get a freezer at the bottom. Here's your washing machine and tumble dryer. Do you know what? Everyone, I like saw some reviews and stuff, and people saying like takes ages for the tumble dryer to work. I literally put everything on extra low, and it dried like easy. So to be honest, such a good thing. I mean, I'm going home without having to do any washing, so I'm happy with that. Everything is good to go. They come and empty your bin pretty much every day, so don't stress too much. You've got a nice seating area here for all your family to chill. You've got the corner sofa, another table with, you've got 2 stools in there as well. We've got all of this. We've got another TV, lovely TV. This is our balcony. Let's go and, so this is like one of them pool. If you pull it all the way back, we get again another view, which is stunning. Let's go. So from here, you can literally, it's really quite warm today. It's like quite humid, but yeah, so you get 2 chairs and a table. It literally does the job, and you've got all like this netting, so it's all netted so that you don't get as many bugs in. I think it's a brilliant idea. I do like to lean on a balcony though, so you know, like when you would, hang on, let's turn it on. You know, like if you want to just chill, you want to lean on that balcony. You can't really lean in here, but you can sit and chill. It's just beautiful. I love listening to the sound of the waterfall, well, the water fountain at the back. I'm just going to close that back up. Look at the state of it. This is early morning. This is This is leaving day. Gotta leave. So not happy about that, but hey ho, it's all good. I'll put the dishwasher on. I'm trying to like clean everything up to make sure we haven't left anything behind, but at the same time, it's nice. I mean, this is my bedroom that I've been staying in. So we get a sofa. They've got sockets. So like I've been using this socket. So I've been using that one to plug everything in. I just brought an adapter with me again. We've got another massive window. So it's like a blind. So you pull your blind down and it's quite nice. You've got another socket there next to the bed. Honestly, I've slept so well since being here. It's been great. You've got another TV in your bedroom with chest of drawers if you want to use them. You get an alarm clock. Obviously bedside tables, bed, plenty of space. Like I've stayed in places where you have no space for your suitcases and stuff, and it's like a nightmare. But this is our double bath, like his and hers bathroom. It honestly, it's been great. Like this was my side and this was hubby's side. We get fresh towels. They leave towels under there. You get a hairdryer included, so don't worry about bringing a hairdryer. You have this area here where we've got a nice mirror, and you also get a safe. So you get a little safe in here. You've got iron and ironing board. You get some sparesy blankets in case you need them, which I definitely did not need them. You get shampoo, conditioner and body wash. So if you arrive and you haven't got anything yourself, don't worry, you can use the stuff in here. It's actually all right. I did buy my own bits because I bought them with me. So yeah, you get like little cupboards underneath. This one, that's where my hairdryer was. They had spare toilet rolls, everything like that. And then you get your separate toilet, which is in here. So you've got 2 toilets, 2 showers. Look, you just get a separate bath. Love it. So if you're thinking about coming to stay at the Grove Resort and Waterpark in Kissimmee, I would recommend it. The resort itself is lovely. The room's been fantastic. Cannot fault the room at all. It's literally perfect. The location's not too bad. Just overall, fantastic stay. The staff have been really helpful when I've asked for anything. They've been great. The cleaners have been good. They come in, they change stuff. I mean, you get the odd bits and bobs that need a bit of a refresh, but we've literally just passed a guy and he's touching up, doing some painting. So it's out of season. So this is where they fix it all back up, ready for next season. So yeah, thanks for coming along, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be uploading some more videos about our 2-week holiday in Florida. So yeah, thanks guys.